Pooja's hard luck is such. When she was filling her form and the RTO inspector was filling her form, that's when the server broke down.
His son will get all these facilities to your dad and mom.
Hey guys, welcome back to
Life with the Sequeras.
So today we have a very long day. We are now off to the RTO because Pooja has her driving test.
And I'm studying.
Learner's test actually. Driving test 1 महीने के बाद होने वाला है. Provided she clears it today. So let's see. Wish you all the best.
Thank you.
And then in the evening we have to go to Our Lady of Perpetual Succor Church in Chembur. It's my aunt's first death anniversary. And in the interim we have a lot of bank work, this, that and everything. So we're going to run a lot of errands today. Hriday is at home now. He's become a big boy.
Sleeping.
So he's sleeping and he knows what to do when he needs to get up. He'll have his breakfast. He'll brush his teeth first, obviously. Have his breakfast and everything. And now let's go without wasting much time. We're supposed to reach there by 10:15 and it's 9:45 at the moment. And we're late as usual because of her. But then, ठीक है, चलता है.
Night shift.
Yeah, night shift. Chalo then, see you there. Last minute Xerox shop for all the photocopies of the originals. And look at that kid, how she's sweeping here. Lovely. It's good to be independent at a very young age. We are at Kopakerne. So see the way she's sweeping. Really very impressed. We need to teach them at a very young age. And that goes to both a male as well as a female. Not necessarily only girls have to learn. We just reached the RTO and it's deserted.
We are 20 minutes early. Not late.
Yeah, but if you compare this RTO to Andheri, it's nothing. Andheri RTO.
This is so beautiful. Show the paintings.
What to do with these paintings?
Just show now. Appreciate the art.
Okay, appreciate the art. Okay, I'm showing you all the videos. इतना गर्मी में मेरे को इधर भेज रही है. Only to show you the art. Seat belts are for everyone. Okay.
No, it's not that. It's no seat belt, no trip.
Okay. And let me read this. Bhargav Vegacha Nadat Kunachi whatever Payavarali Ayushya Payavari Paya Khali. That is Ra and Va. Okay. A cutie. No bhav also.
इधर दिया है ना.
क्या?
चिड़ाऊ नका. मतलब हाई स्पीड में किसी.
आजादी का अमृत महोत्सव. जरा विचार करा हे योग्य आहे का. What is योग्य? माझी माती माझी देश. माझा देश. हे टाळण्यात आपली सुरक्षा. वाहन चालवित असताना मोबाईलवर वापर म्हणजे अशी शिस्ती आहे. बियर महापन करून वाहन बेबी डोंट ड्रिंक अँड ड्राईव्ह. डोंट लक्ष फक्त रस्त्यावर असू घ्या. दिस इज नाईस. दिस इज फॉर मी नो बेबी.
आणि रिजला ऊन लागतंय म्हणून तो तिथे जाऊन उभा राहिलाय आणि मी इथे माझं रिव्हिजन पण करून घेते.
Cute. First floor, now climb up. No lift also here. What is this Navi Mumbai here?
There is a lift.
Looks like this is the place where they take the test and everything for driving.
Oh yeah? How you know?
They're talking to a license holder.
But they said there is an 8 and all you have to ride. Where is the 8?
So you can't do an 8 or what in this space?
I thought they draw and you have to...
So I'm done with my work, and Pooja's hard luck is such. When she was filling her form and the RTO inspector was filling her form, that's when the server broke down. So now we have to wait till the servers are back, which will take some time. So in the meanwhile, I just thought I'll go and get some water. There's nothing close by here. So I'll go and get some water, maybe some sandwiches. Let's see, whatever I get. Anyone wishing to apply for a learner's license, this is the process. What happened? Did you pass?
Pappu pass ho gaya.
How much did you score?
12 out of 15.
Where were the 3 mistakes?
I think कुछ तो load वाला था and कितना load लेके जाने का मुझे नहीं पता था. मैंने within 50 centimeters किया. It should be within 35 centimeters. And
You're getting the learner's license now.
Huh?
You're getting the learner's license now.
Yeah.
Achha, we have other work now. Let's go. So good news is that baby passed her exam. So now she wants to visit a temple. So we always visit church and the temple on the same day. We feel good, we feel happy. And now, what is this temple called? Shani Mandir. Now they are going to Shani Mandir. So let's go. First thing one needs to do is wash their hands and legs. जीन्स ऊपर लेना पड़ता है थोड़ा.
I really love when baby comes to the temple. Come like that only you have to go.
What do we do here? Why is it locked, you said?
The Pandit will come and do puja, no? Then they'll open it.
Okay. right hand, no?
Right.
Thank you. Nice temple, but the thing is, we can't show our back while walking, so we have to go in reverse. Now we can't turn. First thing as I enter the hey kuchu puchu hey kokkaji kokka mein buju guju guju. First thing that I need. Tan 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 tan. Take. 18 degree. Oh God, this is life. So baby is gone to sleep, and I have come to go ahead with my driving class. Hriday is here because he wants to see that I am driving properly, learning properly, right? And so what's happening is, this is our driving class. We have joined and enrolled in Kopakerne. It's a Honda City, and let's get started. Are you ready, Hriday?
Yes.
Chalo.
So Tata's driving and the view
Second hello?
and he's
का स्पीड में सेकंड गियर डाल
Immediately.
फर्स्ट गियर खाली उठाने के लिए रहते हैं। ये मिरर बराबर है आपको?
हाँ। ये अभी चलो मेरे को ये ब्रेक का फंडा भी समझा नहीं।
ब्रेक स्पीड ब्रेकर जब से आएंगे ना,
हाँ नहीं, क्लच भी दबाने का पड़ेगा ना कि
हाँ क्लच हम लोग इसलिए दबाते हैं क्योंकि गाड़ी बंद नहीं गिरना चाहिए।
अच्छा। Alright, we all dressed up. Now we are on our way to OLPS church in Chembur. Baby, taken everything? Water? What are they having? No, I don't want. Come on, Hriday, let's go. Yes, I have my keys.
My phone?
No, I don't have it. I kept it for charging, no? You had air freshener.
Sorry.
Air freshener of mouth. It's called mouth freshener. Heard? Air freshener of mouth. Took my everything. Gave food to Charlie Coco, water, you know. Chal, let's go. So baby, all set to go. So Hriday, you might, or I guess most probably you will get to see your paternal grandparents. Those are my parents. You'll get to see them for the first time. I don't know whether they will talk to you and all. That's fine. We'll try our best, right?
Hriday is busy looking at his friend.
How much is the petrol? Where has it reached? So almost empty, right? We'll have to fill petrol.
See, his tag can be seen.
You have to fill petrol, you have to fill air. Chalo.
बस तू
Bas.
चला. झालं आता नो हॉल्ट ना.
No, not direct OLPS.
ओके. आम्ही इथे पोचलोय पण अजून काय आम्हाला पार्किंग नाही भेटत आहे तर आम्ही पार्किंग शोधतोय. भेटली.
चलेगा ना. So we left from OLPS. Mixed feeling, but ठीक है. We went there for Wilma auntie, not for anybody else. My parents were there, but they were not ready to talk to us. They were just ignoring us and all. But it's okay. We're giving them some time. And then we decided let's go and surprise
मम्मी पप्पा.
I also call them mommy, daddy, and so the thing is, Pooja and Preeti have bought and gifted their parents new ACs. So there are 2 ACs that have come at home, and since it's installed and everything, I thought let's go and ask how proud the parents are. So they don't know we are coming. So let's see what their reactions are and how is it that they feel, how happy they are that the ACs have finally come. And Pooja had told me this, you know, that she always wanted to gift an AC to this house. बचपन से उसका ड्रीम था जो आज क्या बोलते हैं उसको,
पूरा हुआ.
जो पूरा हुआ. So let's go and see their reaction. Hriday, say hi. He is also having a good time.
आम्ही चाललेलो मम्मी पप्पांना सरप्राईज करायला आणि आम्हाला रस्त्यातच भेटले.
ऐसे हो. हाय.
Here we have Kalu. Hey Kalu. Hi. Hi.
ए गुड्डू.
Guddu, what you want? What you want?
ए गुड्डिया.
Then give him. No. You will play with my shoelace. The frame come. Hey Guddu. Hey Guddu. Hey Guddu. Baby, your shadow is coming. Baby. Hey Guddu. Hey Kalya. Hey. What? What?
बाबू पाणी थंड पाणीचे एक मीडियमचे.
ठंडा. Oh ho ho, where is it? Where is it? क्या है? So how proud are you that the daughters have bought in the AC?
Very proud. So many years like.
Yeah, she told me that she always wanted to gift an AC. कैसा लगा डैडी? दोनों बेटियां ने AC
You know,
दिया है.
people are thinking that only son will get all these facilities to your dad and mom.
हाँ.
So
But
they
here
have proven-
we are getting it from our daughter.
Daughter.
And we are proud that we have 3 daughters, not only one.
one.
The
Yes, yes.
myth has been
मैं
busted.
वही बोल रहा था. अभी अनु आएगी तो हॉल में भी AC वो डालेगी अभी.
Yes, sure.
अभी बेडरूम का हो गया. अभी
Hall में.
हॉल में अनु करेगी. टेंशन नहीं. और हृदय जब बड़ा होगा वॉशरूम में
अभी
डालेगा.
प्रीति.
Oh, look at this. This is how it is. Preeti, how does it feel to get a AC of your own money and doing it?
Very nice.
Proud feeling, no?
Very
Good for you.
proud. Yes.
Hriday, how are you? You're happy?
Finally, I can sustain in the
Sustain. Big word. Sustain. Sustain. Where are you learning all these words? Sustain and all. Heard what daddy said? Well, Vashin is given an emotional talk. Nice. Beta, beti. Good. Mommy has just reheated these chicken kebabs and she's sliced those onions with some masala. Yummy, yum. Look at these two. Oh. Hey, drama buzz. What are singing or crying or what are you doing?
Don't take him. He's doing all this nonsense. I told you. No exploding, no doing. Behave normal.
Cry.
थोडीशी दे त्याला shuffle नाही up करायला.
What's happening? What are you all doing?
दे ना त्याला थोडं जास्त shuffle करायला नाही होत त्याला.
What now? What do you want me to do? Go a little bit behind, no?
Choose a card.
Wait, 1 minute. You want me to choose a card? Okay.
Any card?
Any random card? Okay.
Okay.
I choose this card. Can I show my viewers this?
Yes.
Okay. Would you all both like to see the card?
No, you continue.
Okay.
Okay.
Done.
Okay.
I've never seen a magician smile so much. You got a nice smile.
That's how I laugh. Okay.
And how do you cry? Oh, now I can see the magician's face. What happened? Magician forgot something.
Since I messed up something.
Magician, go and practice again and count.
No, actually I got it now. Isn't this the card?
Oh, yes it is. You need to hug your mentor. Who taught you this? You say.
सो आजचा दिवस आमचा खूपच टायरिंग होता. आज आम्ही भरपूर फिरलो, भरपूर कामं केले, खूप जणांना भेटलो आणि काही लोकांना भेटून खरंच मनापासून खूप छान वाटलं. हा व्हिडिओ पाहण्याबद्दल आणि एवढा वेळ दिल्याबद्दल थँक्यू. असंच आम्हाला सपोर्ट करत राहा. हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, कॉमेंट करा, शेअर करा आणि आमच्या चॅनलला
सबस्क्राईब करा. Bye.